So order has been restored for fourth-time defending Manning Cup champions Jamaica College. After the little glitch against Charlie Smith, JC showed their championship mettle. And in the quarter-final of the 2017 Manning Cup, them settled. And since we mentioned Jamaica College, we have to make this clear again, highlighting the undeniable fact that Jamaica College is one of, if not the top recruiting school in Jamaica when it comes to schoolboy football. Stating that fact don't mean we have a problem with or we are against recruiting or we criticizing Jamaica College for being the best recruiters in the business. I have no problem at all with the principle of recruiting. Recruiting does more good than harm. And importantly for me, it gives a whole heap of poor people picnic a chance to make something of themselves. And that cannot be a bad thing. But some people can't seem to understand that highlighting something or stating something as a fact don't necessarily mean you're against that thing. Jamaica College is the top recruiter when it comes to schoolboy football. Everybody knows that. And it is absolutely fair to deduce that the success of JC in schoolboy football in recent years is directly related to the scale and effectiveness of their recruiting program. That is fair and balanced comment. But it's like when we say these things, some of the True Blue family don't want to hear it. No, that suggests to me that they are doing something that they are ashamed of or something they wish they never had to do. But again, recruiting is not illegal or even unethical. So it is none to be ashamed of. Same like how Calabar bother boys champs thanks to them recruiting. Edwin Allen bother girls champs because of them recruiting. And so JC bother Manning Cup because of them recruiting. It's like how the Maverick bother sports commentary because of my eloquency.